Welcome to Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am Pramut Rai, I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Information Technology. I am going to discuss the topic understanding file position and file path in Python. Before going to that, first we should know what is file. File is in computer field, file is used to store any data in digital form. File management means creating, opening, reading, writing and closing files with any programming language like Python. Python have so many built-in functions for handling files. Example, opening a file. We use open function. File is equal to open. The file name is data.txt, mode R. So R means reading a data in the file data.txt. Data.txt is text file. So modes are R means read, W means write, A means append, X means creating a new file. So using R we can read data from the file. Using write we can write any data in the file. Using a mode append we can add any data to the file, and using the X we can create new file. So reading a file, to read a data from file we use the different methods. Read means read the whole files. Read line means if you want to read a particular line we can use the read line. Read lines means reading all lines as a list. Example, files equal to open data.txt, the mode R. The variable content is equal to file.read means all the data in the file data.txt will be moved into variable content. Writing a file. To write a data into a file we use the mode W. Example, files equal to open data.txt, the mode is the writing mode W, file dot write hello world. So this will overwrite the existing data. The word hello world will be write in the file data.txt. Using the write mode all the data, previous data will be deleted from the file, then the hello world will be stored in the data.txt. So appending a file, the difference between appending and writing, if we use writing mode all the data, previous data will be deleted. If we use appending mode all the previous data will be available and whatever we are going to write will be added at the end of the line. To add data without deleting old data we use append mode. Example, file is equal to open data.txt, mode append A, file.write new data means this will add new data at the end of the file, but the previous what are the already existing things will be available in the data.txt. Using the appending mode we can add the new things. It will not overwrite the existing data in the file. Closing file. For better practice, after using reading and writing we have to use the close the file for saving the resources. So syntax is file.close. So better practice, using the with statement also we can close the file automatically. For example, with open data.txt comma R as file, content is equal to file.read. So if you use the with statement you need not give file.close, automatically the file will be closed after reading or writing. So reading a file, example, we use read to read all the content. File is equal to open file name.txt comma R. So here file name.txt is the file name, the type of file is text file. Then content is a variable is equal to file.read, print content, then after finally we have to give the file.close. So if you run the program it will display all the data in the file name.txt. So it reads the whole file at once. Okay. Then writing a file. To write a data we use the write mode. So the syntax is file is equal to open file name.txt comma write, W means writing mode, file.write hello world, file.write this is a sample text, then finally we have to give file dot close. The hello world and this is a sample text will be will be written in the file name .txt. So W we already discussed W, if you give W it will erase the old data. So binary and text mode in Python. So what is the difference between binary text mode and binary mode? So normally what we have discussed is text mode. Default mode is the text mode. If you want handle any non-text mode, for example image, we have to use binary mode. So here the comparison, here in text mode file is equal to open data.txt or means it will read all the lines in the from the file data.txt. So for image file we simply we cannot use R. So for that we have to use RP. See the difference, file is equal to open image.jpg, we have to for reading image file we have to give RP. The other things are same, content is equal to file.read, then print content, after that file.close. So here binary mode non-text, we can manipulate the non-text file. So modes R, we already discussed. R means read text mode, RP means read binary mode, W means write text mode, WB means write binary mode. So next we will discuss file paths in Python. So there are two types of paths. There are two types of paths in Python, absolute path and relative path. So absolute path gives the whole path. For example, if you want to find the file.txt, the path name of file.txt, it will give C colon users document. So the file.txt source under the directory documents, it is under users, it is in C colon. So if you give absolute path, it will give the full path from the root directory. So if you use relative path, it will tell the current path, current folder directory. For example, file.txt, it stores under the folder data. So this is the difference between absolute path and relative path. So absolute path gives the full file name path directory. Relative path gives only the current path. So next one, OS path. So OS path is one of the built-in library. It is used, it works all the operating system like Linux, Windows and Mac. So it is used for checking the file whether the file is exist. There are so many functions. Here we will see some samples. So first check if file is exist. So we have to use import os print os.path exist data.txt. So if we give os.path.exist, whether the data.txt file is exist or not, it will return true or false. If the file is present, it will give true, otherwise it will return false. So next, check the file or directory. So you can use also whether the file or the directory also exist or not. Using the command os.path.isFile data.txt. So if the file data.txt is available or not, it will give the true or false. Then os.path.isDir folder means it will check whether the directory is present or not. If the directory is folder, for example folder is present, it will give true, otherwise if not present, it will give false. Then get absolute path. We already discussed absolute path means give the full path name. Example, os.path.aps path data.txt means it will return full path. Okay. Then get directory name. os.path.dir name folder/file.txt. So if you give os.path.dir name, it will give the directory. Here the directory name is folder, so it will return the directory folder. So next we will see file position in Python. In file handling, file position means give the current position of the cursor. Okay, if you want move or read move, we can use file position, seek seek and tell. Tell give the current position. For example, file equal open data.txt r means print file.tell, then file.close. So it will give position of the current position of the cursor. So here the cursor position is 5. So it gives the fifth position. Okay, if the cursor is fifth position in the line, it will give the number of the position. Then seek. So seek is used to change the position from one place to another position. For example, files equal to open.dxt.txt or file.seek 5 print file.read file.close. So it means it goes to the file position, fifth position of the file. Okay, fifth position of the near line, fifth position in the line, it will move from 0 to fifth position. Okay, so tell is used to give the current position. Seek is used to move the position from one place to another. So here are some of the examples for see files equal to open.txt.txt or print file.read. It reads the first 5 characters. Okay, then print file.tell shows the current position. File.seek 0 means the cursor goes, suppose if cursor is any place in the file, it moves to the starting position. So file seek 0 means it moves from any place to starting position. So there are some of the advanced operations in seek and tell. Here we will discuss. For example, with open example.txt r as file. So file here file name is example.txt, print initial position file.tell, then file.seek 7, it gives 7 character. Seek 7 means 7, it goes to 7 position. Then print after seek file.read 5 means after 7 position it gives the only 5 characters. So here we are using seek and tell. So initial position it gives tell file.tell means it gives the initial position, then file.seek 7 means it goes to the initial position to the 7th position. After that we are using file.read 5. So after 7th position it reads the 5 character. Okay, here we have used seek 7 and read 5. Seek 7 means it goes from 0 to 7th position. File read 5 means after 7th position it reads the 5 characters. Then deleting a file. So we can deleting a file with the help of os.remove. Here the example, import os if os.path exists, example.txt, file name is example.txt, os.remove example.txt means the file will be deleted. If the example.txt is not available, it will give file does not exist. So here we have discussed file position and file path in files in Python. Thank you.